The bullet-riddled body of a man was reportedly set on fire in McNeese, St. Ann on Monday night. The deceased had been identified as 23-year-old farmer Kieran Benjamin. Police reports that about 9 a.m. on Tuesday, residents stumbled upon the body. Police believe Benjamin was killed and set ablaze Monday night when residents reportedly heard gunshot explosions around 11 p.m. Investigations continue. One man is feared to have been killed in a two-vehicle crash at section of the Albion Main Road in St. Thomas on Tuesday, while several others have been injured. Reports are that about 6:45 p.m. the driver of two Toyota Probox motor cars were traveling in opposite direction when they collided. Reports are that the vehicles ended up at a section of the road that is not yet open to the public. The police and firemen were called to the location and the injured taken to the hospital. Reports reaching Loop News are that one of the crash victims has since succumbed to his injuries. However, the police are yet to confirm, instead saying they have no updates at this time. Two sisters from Orange Street in Kingston are missing. They are 14-year-old Tanisha James and 15-year-old Amisha James. The police on Tuesday activated an Ananda alert for the teenagers who have been missing since Sunday, April 23. Tanisha is of dark complexion, slim built, and 150 centimeters tall, while Hamisha is of dark complexion, slim built, and about 155 centimeters tall. Reports from the Central Police are that Tanisha and Hamisha were last seen walking along Orange Street in the parish and have not been heard from since. Their mode of dress at the time they went missing is unknown. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Tanisha and Hamisha James is asked to contact the Central Police or the 119 emergency number or the nearest police station.